Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll just show you how you can turn on the smoke effect in the RC car and also how you can insert batteries. Okay, first of all, see here, this is perfectly working fine, and this car I purchased for 650 rupees, and this is two-wheel drive car, okay, not the four-wheel drive, okay. So on the remote, you'll have a button. See here, just now I pressed it. Actually, again I'll press. So immediately there is light turned on top of it. You can observe there is some smoke effect. Actually, that is the water vapor. Okay, that smoke like thing is the water vapor. So you need to pour water in order to see that effect. Okay, first of all, I'll also show you how you can uh, insert the batteries in the remote in order for this remote to work. So there is a small screw. You need to open the screw, okay, and insert two AA batteries, not AAA. The batteries which you usually put in the wall clocks, right? The bigger ones, 1.5 volt AA batteries, two batteries. Yeah, just you can screw it up again, right? So once you are done, on the remote you'll see a button here, a button. Okay, the remote is working. Okay, fine. Now fine. Okay, press this button so that the lights will be on. Okay, so there is a small cap like thing on top of it. See here, small water tank is there where you need to put some water. So once you put the water, and if you turn on that light from the remote button, you'll see that effect. Okay, right, just close the top lid, you can say. Yeah, if it is in night mode it would be even more better, because with the lights and with the smoke effect it would be even more good looking. Okay, yeah, if you want the full unboxing of this RC car, actually this is a rock crawler car. Okay, I just tested that on different terrains. So if you want that video, what I'll do is I'll be just dropping that video link in the description. You can just check it there.